Well, I'm back on the dock. It's early on Monday and I wanted to get out first thing Monday morning and show you how the dock looks, get a good start to the week, and restocking for a wonderful spring. You can see here the docks are loaded today. Let's take a walk through the dock. First up here we have a Bloomin' Easy Spirea. This one's Rainbow Fizz. Very hardy plant. You can see here the nice consistency to the crop. Beautiful full plants. Rainbow Fizz. Here we're looking at 2-gallon Endless Summer Originals, and then we're coming over here to the Ostrich Ferns. Look at this gorgeous rose. Again, this is another Bloomin' Easy. This is Peach Lemonade. They are bud and bloom looking fantastic, guys. Here we're looking at some gorgeous 3-gallon Alberta Spruce. See a lot of these on the dock lately. These are our 2-gallon Gaiety Euonymus and Moonshadow. True Bloom roses are looking great. Here's just a great display on the Easy Elegance roses. They're coming out, full leaf, starting to bud up, looking great. 2-gallon yuccas, nice big heavy plants, and here we're looking at the 3-gallon Annabelles. New and exciting Spirea coming out now. Here we have the Sundrop from First Editions. You can see how nice those are looking. Great color, big full plants, good value on this. Here we have Silveria Cherry on top from Bloomin' Easy. Again, this one gives you really nice full season interest. We can see here the beautiful lacy type foliage to it. It's going to get some interesting hues of reds and orange and a gorgeous flower. Cherry on top, Silveria from Bloomin' Easy. The 2-gallon Mop Cypress really add a lot of color. We've seen a lot of those on the dock. Coming down here, we're looking at 2-gallon My Monets. Here we have some of the First Edition Buddleias. I mean, these are exciting plants. I mean, look at those big, gorgeous plants. Several varieties out, looking good. More of those really nice 2-gallon yuccas. Now we're coming down to Deutzia Cherry Blossom. Loaded with buds, guys. Here we're looking at Buddleia. This is Butterfly Magic with 3 colors in a pot. And then coming down here again, we have the First Editions. This one's Funky Fuchsia. Again, great names, beautiful full plants, nice Buddleias. More Buddleias to look at here. We got the Proven Winners. This is the Pugster series, and this one is Pugster Blue. Here we have a Bloomin' Easy Wagilla, and this one is Stunner. Nice deep, rich purple foliage to it, gorgeous blooms. They're going to hold that color all season long. Very hardy plant. Wagilla Stunner. Coreopsis looking sensational. Here we're looking at Epimediums. If you're looking for a plant for dry shade, Epimediums your plant. These are beautiful. Here we're looking at more of those Rainbow Fizz, and then another Spirea from Bloomin' Easy. It's Pop Rock Petite. Again, very low growing Spirea, almost an alpine, and it's got the great green foliage. Going to stay nice, tight, compact with pink blossoms. Tilblies are looking sensational. Several varieties are up on the dock today. And here we're looking at Leucanthemum. This one happens to be Whoops-a-Daisy. More hostas. Lots of hostas coming up here now. They're looking really good. Those are the Candy Store Phlox. We have some Dianthus. In the background there, Alliums looking good. These Astilbes are really looking nice. Another favorite on the dock here, we're looking at Physocarpus Summer Wine. Those mops are everywhere, man. You can see how nice they are. Great color. Coming over here, we're looking at Hosta Patriot. Great looking roses coming in here. Here we have our 2-gallon Double Knockout. Coreopsis, again, looking sensational. More of the hostas. Patriot there in the background again. Here we have Geranium Roseanne, very popular. Lots of great looking daylilies starting to come up. Haven't started to throw flowers, but they shall soon. Then in the background there, the Perennial Hibiscus. Again, those are coming up, and they got buds on the tips. Great time to ship. Man, these plants are coming up to the dock right now. Great looking plants. Here they're getting ready. This is a hydrangea called Tilt-A-Whirl from Bloomin' Easy. Big, beautiful plants. Look at this dock this morning, guys. Beautiful color. It's really jumping. Folks are restocking, getting ready for this busy spring season. We got a lot of great color here for you. Looking at some American Beauty natives. This is a big blue stem grass here. Nice heavy plants. Shenandoah again, looking great. Nice big. These are Sedum Autumn Joy. Look at the size of those plants. And again, a lot of Patriots going up there. Great color on those. You see the great color on those emerald gold euonymus coming down here. Phlox candy stores again. Coming through the roses. We're into the natural crop, but hey, they're coming out nice. They're leafed, small buds, great shelf life to them. Looking fantastic here, guys. Several varieties of leucanthemum are on the dock today. Looking good. Look at all these roses coming up. Fantastic. These are the oh so easy. Beautiful plants here. Endless summers are looking good. Here we're looking at the sedum, sun sparklers, several varieties of those. Nice heavy can-fold plants. Here we're looking at those geraniums, beautiful roseannes, Max Freys. Again, here we have Rutabekias, Coreopsis. Perennials coming up here, Echinaceas, those are leaf and bud. Here we have Phlox, Emerald Blue, a few varieties of the Salvia right now, bud and bloom. Again, the Cicericium are looking outstanding. We have several varieties of Provostia up and looking good. Next up we have Silver Mountain. Again, a bunch of Coreopsis right now are looking sensational, leaf and bud. Potted trees are still very popular, several varieties of those coming up. You see these big yuccas, good value on those. Coming back again, a lot of these My Monets. True blooms are coming up, leaf and bud here. This is a great series. If you haven't tried this one, definitely put that on your to-do list. Guys have put lilies in the cooler, a lot of buds, a lot of color on these. If you got these on order, get them in. These are really showstoppers right now. Looking at some lavender, phenomenal, and nooks and crannies. The crop's ready. Looking good, man. These are 3.5 inch pots, hardy perennials, great for small space gardening and projects. If you haven't got them, I would grab these nooks and crannies. Here we're looking at some 3-gallon Bloomstruck. And coming over here, we have Invincible Blush. Nice heavy full plants. A lot of the arborescents are can full now, looking good. A peek at those different varieties of Perennial Hibiscus. Again, they're coming up, looking great. This sun, warm weather's really got them peaked up. There's buds on the end of them. Again, if you got them on your order, this is a perfect time to ship these. Nice color on this Japanese bloodgrass. Here's another fantastic arborescens. This one is incredible. Again, great looking lilies, bud and bloom there. See more of the Incredibles. This one is Lavender Provence. Looking good. We're starting to see the Paniculatas leaf out. This one is Quick Fire Fab. Nice full 3 gallons. Then here we got some Spigilla. Those are starting to come up, looking good. Nice plants. If you have German Iris on order, definitely get them. They're starting to throw some flower buds. These are going to look great. More Coreopsis to see. Here we're looking at Provostia. Again, this is Little Spires. Several varieties of this gorgeous salvia up, bud and bloom. Nice rich color, good size on these. You guys put a little heat to them. This is the popular one, Wine and Roses. Kinas are starting to come up, looking like they're showing a little color here. Very nice plants. Here we're seeing some greenhouse stuff coming in here. We have the quarter lines again, full beautiful plants. Those are going to be hot as people are doing those combination pots. Speaking of color, here we have our court annuals. Nice full heavy plants there. Beautiful. And then the succulents. Beautiful full trays here of 8. And a nice selection on these, good value. Here we have lavender, this is early blue. Coming back here, we have Phlox Gina. Then a lot of nice daylilies coming up. Monardas are looking great. No buds yet, but man, look how nice and full those plants are. The background there is some Carl Forrester. Again, salvias are looking sensational. Perfect time to get them. Again, lilies, a lot of them are bud and bloom. We still have some that are tight there. Again, a lot of nice daylilies in the background. They haven't started, but they shall soon. Big, heavy plants. Then here we're looking at Lavender Sensation. Seen these on the dock all spring. Man, these ferns are gorgeous. Big, full plants. Big, heavy 3-gallon. Those are Green Beauty boxwood. Again, the paniculatas are leafing. That's Firelight. Yellow Hedgehog. Buddleias again looking great. Nice crop coming on. Here we're seeing some orange rocket, barberry, great color there. Yeah, look at these plants, guys. Starting to see again the next crop of hydrangea coming up. We're seeing leaf and tight buds. Again, great time to get those. They're going to have a lot of shelf life. Big, beautiful plants. Here we're looking at Provostia. In the background there again, just a big selection of perennials. Here we're looking at the limelight tree form. Those are 7 gallons. The Rutabekia's looking good coming out of that trim. Again, coming up, Buddleia's coming up on the dock. Here we're looking at some Guium. This one is Tempo Orange. Very nice. Can't go wrong with the tropicals, man. There's a lot of collocaceas and alocasias on the dock here. Just happened to find a cart to hit a nice mix. Mandavillas, again, looking good. Back on the Crocosmia, here we're looking at Penstemon, that's Dakota Burgundy. Whoops, a Daisy, and the Leucanthemum again. Here we're looking at the Phlox from Proven Winners. This is a Luminary series, very nice. And these succulents are coming up. I just tilted one of these. Look how nice and full that plant is. What a value, guys. Here we have another Leucanthemum. This one is a Proven Winner selection. This one is Marshmallow. Look how big those flowers are. Big, huge flowers loaded with buds. We have our new crop of burning bush. Again, nice, full, heavy plants, good value. Pradescantia starting to show some color. Aurelia, Sun King, again, nice color there. Buddleias, here we're coming down. Monardas, again, looking good. Here we have Heliopsis from American Beauties. Dicentra, more of the Phlox. Pradescantia, Hostas, nice looking perennials. I wanted to show you Bernera coming out of the greenhouse now. Big, heavy plants, nice color. Here we're seeing the grapes really flushed out, filling that stake. Coming in, raspberries are looking good. Coming here, we're looking at Caryopteris, another great summer color plant. Leaf and bud. Here we're looking at the Petite Knockout. This is a hot one. Nice plant for containers on the patio. And again, look at all the nice, consistent Annabella hydrangeas coming up here today. Nice. We're just seeing the heuchera come in by the cartload. Here's more annuals coming here. Again, the mandavillas are looking good. These crotons are phenomenal. Nice. I think we got 3 varieties of these still available. Eggplant here to give you a peek at the veggies. These are, man, they're gorgeous veggies. And just to give you a peek here is some of the quart annuals that are growing out. These are full, nice quart annuals here, budded up, looking good, good value. Again, many of these are sold. If you get that call, get them on a truck. Another peek at those Mr. Bowling balls. Nice, consistent crop, big 3 gallons. You can see the new gen boxwood. Those are 2-gallon freedoms. Nice heavy plants there, guys. Good value. Then, of course, you see in the background, these guys are loading these trucks like crazy today. We're looking at more geraniums. Again, we have several varieties. This is the popular Roseanne. Juga chocolate chip, looking really good. Here we have sedum flaming carpet in the containers. We also have the flats. That's an awesome plant for the patio. Man, you put that in the pot in the patio or in your landscape. Very low care, great color all season long. Nice looking 3-gallon Hamlin grass. Here we're looking at Hackamaloa, all gold. Again, several varieties of hosta. That warm weather really piqued their interest and got them up going. Looking good. Coming down here, the hostas and the sedums right now are showing their color. Nice big heavy spirea. Those are the double play Big Bang. All of the double play series are looking really good. Here we're looking at the Hemorrhacalis, you know, this is Stella and Happy Returns. Those are big, heavy, full plants. Great landscape, great plants. Here we have the Chick Charm Bowls. You know, this is a great plant to put out on the patio or in your office. Again, annuals starting to ship out. Here we're looking at the flatted material, looking good. Another peek at the quartz. 3-gallon green velvets, looking good. Coming over here, I told you, the sedum flaming carpet's going to catch on. Here's another one we see on the dock almost every week. That's the Barberry Crimson Cutie. Again, the heat last week really woke up the grasses. Here we're looking at 3-gallon miscanthus grass. Here we have 3-gallon heavy metal. Again, that grass is really coming on quickly. In the background there, we're looking at variegated miscanthus. Nice color. Lots of daylilies coming up, people stocking up. And again, we're looking at fern. This one is a really nice one. This is Dre's Dagger. Here we're looking at another first edition. This one is Psychedelic Sky in the Bublia. Closer look at those Spirea. Again, this is Petite Knockout. Another peek at those Peach Lemonade. I really like this plant. Very hardy again. It comes out with hues of the white and peach and yellow. Loaded with buds. I mean, it's incredible. You should see these things. If you haven't tried this one, Peach Lemonade. Here's another paniculata. This one's Limelight Prime. Very popular one. You can see that he brought them out. The guys trimmed them. They're shaped nicely. Haven't seen flower. It'll be a little bit before we start to see blooms, but man, these plants are gorgeous. Here I'm going into the second dock, and again, it's loaded. Beautiful full plants. Great color. Here we're looking at another hot arborescens on the market. This is a new one, Pink Polyring. And this one is going to be great for your pollinators and native displays. Nice full plants here. Again, you can see the hydrangeas are coming out. They're leaf and bud. And perfect time to get them, you know, because they're going to bloom on the lots. Another native plant. This is Rutabekia, little gold star. Nice heavy full plants there. Great looking Japanese bloodgrass. You can see several varieties of the allium coming up, looking good. That's a great summer color plant. Again, a lot of the true bloom roses are on the dock today. They're starting to come out, just starting to bud up, show a little bit of color here. Exciting series there. They got big flowers, nice fragrance. True bloom roses. Here we're looking at some 7-gallon Salix tristis. Again, nice plants here. They've been trimmed back, shaped up, ready to go. We're looking at Ice Grenada Lucky Marble. This is a new one with us. And if you're looking for some boxwood alternatives, these are very nice plants. Here we have our 2-gallon Endless Summer Crop. And again, coming out of natural season here, they're filling the cans, nice foliage. The buds are coming along nicely. Beautiful. Well, that's a quick walk through the dock, man. You can see these guys are really hustling right now, getting these orders ready to go. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading a truck for you.